chip on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them are coming, them are looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'll be reviewing this hair from Queen Mall, and it's a straight hair with bang and 18 inches in color 1B30.
Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show.
This is strange because I've never had something like this before. Okay, I'll need my straight now. Guys, let me go and get my hair straight now.
The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I want it more. That me low. Tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point the instrumental. Give me the one time. It's okay. Bad man see go take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. I'm a jar related, I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay. See, by the end of the night she be wanting more. By the end of the day they be wanting more. Bossing out the place and they wanted more. My people, them I wanted more. I'm a jar related, I'm a jar wale. Say we get to bed, so no delay.
So guys, this is what the hair looks like. To be honest, I didn't know it was going to look this good on me. The last time I had bangs was in the year 2010. I remember vividly. It was 2010. It was March 2010. The last time I had bangs like this type of hairstyle. And that one made me look so ugly that I decided I would never wear bangs again. But you see this one, it looks good on me. You don't have to tell me, I know. I know it looks good on me.
See them girls just want to party. See them boys them just want to party. In a me yard them a throw the party. In a me place them a throw the party. Say, who like a bad man, me a bustin' a the place. Who like a bad man, other girls them a crazy. She a whine it for me, she a grind it for me. She a pull up in a place and whine it for me. I wanting more. When I pull up in a place, they be wanting.
This wig is so affordable and it comes in lots of colors. They have it in blue, green, yellow, purple. Like they have it in almost every color. Like they have it in a lot of color that you can choose from. But this is the color that I chose. They also have it in black if you want to go with black. But I went with this one because I just wanted it to look different. So yeah. I'm going to leave every details of this wig in the description box below in case you guys are interested. And like I said before, this wig is from Queen Mall. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Gucci on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on the pump, put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about? Man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that healing. Me, I don't want to tire, so me, I light up the fire. Me wanna get